This is a very nice phone holder. It allows me to move it around for like almost every single angle that I need. It's very easy to clip on to the dashboard. You can move it that way. You can move it up and down, and you can move it by undoing this screw. You can swivel around to pretty much any direction you want. This one is the one that's worked for me so far because my car doesn't have very much space, and the vents for the heat are this different new design, so I can't really find something that works. So yeah, it's very good quality, and it's perfect for finding the right angle.